I'd like to give you a quick introduction to how you can extend FAST beyond foundation reports. Now here's the thing. Out of the box, we expect to meet the majority of your reporting needs with our comprehensive suite of pre-built foundation reports. But what about that reporting gap that may still exist after implementation? These could be due to custom tables that you've created and maintained in your ERP. It could also be due to those shadow systems that you continue to run within your institution or in various departments. Millennium is pleased to offer you an application development kit, an all-in-one solution that's going to assist in centralizing those shadow systems, creating a more complete and comprehensive reporting suite, and above all, facilitating access to information by your general end users. There are 4 primary tools available at the administrative level to allow you to extend beyond the foundation reports and take ownership of the reporting suite. Tool number 1, we've given you the ability to create your own custom tables. You can create a table manually or even import a pre-built table from an external source like Microsoft Excel or Access. You can create a blank table with the intention of allowing your end users to populate that table as a custom data enterable form, or you can even import the data from that external source right into FAST as a pre-built and pre-populated report. The tools are intuitive, user-friendly, and above all, flexible. Option number 2 is the FAST Query Builder. The FAST Query Builder allows you to create your own custom queries based on the available objects in the FAST data warehouse. You can create a custom query through a SQL developer tool using our predefined list of objects, including synonyms, views, and tables, or use our intuitive and interactive graphical query builder. The graphical query builder allows you to create and execute any number of queries based on your access to the available objects. Most importantly, it allows you to create a query without necessarily having a programming background. This is still an administrative or power user function, but by joining objects and fields in those objects, I've created my very own custom query that I can now use to create a custom report. The FAST Page Builder then allows me to take that query and wrap a custom reporting page around it. This does 2 things. 1, it's going to fill that reporting gap that may have existed with the foundation reports alone. And 2, it's continued to centralize access to those reports by your end users. Custom reports have the exact same look, feel, functionality, and skin as the foundation reports. From an end user perspective, they're seamless, intuitive, and work exactly the same way. Another option is the custom data entry page builder. The data entry page builder allows you to take the tables you've created and turn them into your very own custom data enterable reporting pages. We all have those areas where we're keeping information siloed and separate from our baseline ERP. When information is held decentralized on individual end user computers, it not only invokes a sense of risk, but also an incompatibility and inconsistency in data collection and reporting. We want to help you centralize that data, put it in one place where end users can key information into FAST and cleanly allow them to extract the same data from FAST. These reports can be as highly centralized or decentralized as you see fit. And lastly, we have a tool called the Warehouse Builder, where the Query Builder may still contain gaps in the available objects or where you may be storing information in a separate database. We allow you to create your own custom warehouse right within FAST, allowing your power users to locate those tables directly from the Query Builder. Once you've completed the warehouse creation, the new objects will appear in your predefined object list by reporting application. Those queries can then be turned into any number of custom reports and be made available to end users. We'd love to show you more about the application development kit and how it could supplement and support your reporting needs in terms of data collection and particularly access to data and reporting solutions.